Hello there! So ito na po ang inyong August 2025 Tarot reading. Before I start, remember that this is a collective reading, so only take what resonates. Okay, so we have here the Page of Swords, the World, and the Six of Cups. Okay, with the Page of Swords, I can sense that you will be curious about something. It could be na parang magsisimula ka or magpupursu ka ng bagong studies related to your career. It could be mag-aaral ka or magti-training ka ng something. Now, with the World, I can sense that you want to expand what you already have. Okay? And yung iba naman sa inyo will also experience some closure, very important closure, especially from those people from your past na affected ka pa din. And I can also sense some communication from that past. And yeah, it made sense na magkakaroon ng closure to some of you. Yung iba naman may possibility for upgrading.